Good morning students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Dr. Leena. As you all know that I am uploading videos on the application of mathematics in various fields. Today we will discuss the applications of differential calculus. Differential calculus, it is a branch of calculus and it used to analyze and model changes in quantities. So here are some important applications of the differential calculus. First we will deal with the with physics, how integral and how differential calculus is applicable in physics. So first is classical mechanics. When we have to calculate instantaneous velocity, acceleration and force as well as the behavior of objects in motion, we study differential calculus. Now in electromagnetism, to study the behavior of electrical and magnetic fields and dynamics of the charged particle, we use differential calculus. And in thermodynamics, how we are using differential calculus in thermodynamics? Differential calculus, it is applied to analyze the rates of heat transform, temperature change in various bodies. In engineering, how we are using differential calculus in various engineering branches. So first is civil engineering. So to analyze stress and strain in the structure as well as to design and optimize building materials, we use differential calculus. In mechanical engineering, to study the behavior of materials under various conditions and to design mechanical systems. Electrical engineering, it is used to study circuit analysis, signal processing and control systems and optimize electrical and electronic devices. Economics, how we are using differential calculus in economics. Marginal analysis, differential calculus is used to analyze marginal cost, marginal revenue and marginal utility in economics. In optimization, it is used to optimize the economic model as profit optimization or cost minimization. In biology and medicine, first is population dynamics. It is used to model the growth and decline of the population in ecology. In how we are using this in medical diagnosis, so it is used in medical imaging to analyze change in tissues density and structure. Chemistry, how we are using differential calculus in chemistry. So first is the chemical reactions, to describe the rate of chemical reactions and how reactant change over time. Now in kinematics, it is used to analyze reaction rate and concentration changes. Computer graphics, computer science, in algos, differential calculus is used in algos of numerical analysis, optimization and data analysis. Machine learning, how we are using differential calculus in machine learning. So it is applied in gradient based optimization and used in training machine learning models. Finance, how we are using differential calculus in finance. Differential calculus is used to calculate financial derivatives such as options and futures and to manage risk in financial market. Environmental science, differential calculus are used to model and analyze environmental processes like pollution dispersion and ecosystem dynamics. How we are using this in astronomy? Differential calculus is used to find the orbit of celestial bodies and predict astronomical events. Transportation. How we are using differential calculus in transportation. It is used to model and optimize traffic flow in transportation planning. Robotics. In robotics, it is used in motion planning, path following and control algos to enable robots to move and interact with the environment. Then sports science. How we are using differential calculus in sports science. It is used to analyze athletes' performance, such as calculating instantaneous speed and acceleration in sports. In telecommunication, it is used in signal processing to analyze and process various types of signals, including audio signal, video and data signals. So these applications highlight the importance of differential calculus in understanding modeling dynamics, systems and processes in various fields of science, engineering and economics. So it provides a valuable tool for studying how quantities change with respect to each other. So these all are about applications of differential calculus. Thanks to joining. Subscribe the channel and like, share as much as possible. Thank you.